Beginner's guide to creating a website with WordPress. So in this video, I'm going to show you as a total beginner, step by step, how to create your own unique website just like this using WordPress. What you have to know is that before you even start creating a website, you need a web hosting and then a domain name. Okay, so if you don't have this already, I'm having a full video on my channel walking you through step by step how to get a free web hosting if you want to just learn how to use WordPress and then create websites, and then if you want to take blogging seriously, how to use the paid version to also get your hosting and then domain name. So watch that video and then install your WordPress, and then let's get right into creating your own unique website. Okay, so when you install the WordPress, simply come here to where it says my blog and then come and click on visit site. Okay, so this is the theme that WordPress always install for you. That is the default theme that you will get when you install your WordPress. Okay, so let's create our own website and then customize our own website. Okay, so simply come to the dashboard, and then from the dashboard simply come here to where we have the appearance, and then come and select the themes. And then from the top side, you're going to see we have add new theme. Just come and then click on it. So when you click on it, from the popular theme, okay, the popular theme, you're going to see we have a lot of themes here. The one that I recommend is the Astra. Okay, this one. Simply come and then click on the preview to preview it, and then come here to where it says the install, and then come and click on the install. All that you have to do is to simply wait for it to finish installing, and then we are going to activate it. Okay, so to activate it, come and click on the activate, and then you will see that it has been activated. We have these starter templates that we can choose from to build our website. Okay, so to do that, simply come here to where it says let's get started with starter templates, and then come and click on it. So what you have to do is to simply sit back and then wait for it to activate. So when it's finished activating, we have two ways of building the website. Okay, we have the first one whereby you are going to select a starter template from a classic one by simply choosing that one, or you can simply come here to where it says AI website builder, and then come and then select this one. One thing that I like about this one is that it is very fast to build a website with. So we are going to go with that one by simply coming to click on try it. Okay, and then over here we are going to sign up on the ZipWP platform. That is the AI that we are going to use to build a website. So come and click on let's get started. It's free. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to create an account, and then you can simply create the account by clicking on sign up with Google in one click, or you can also come here to where it says sign up with email, and then come and click on it. So over here, what you have to do is to simply come and then put in your email address right here. You put in your first name, you put in your last name, you come and create a strong password, and then come and click on create account. Okay, so when you do that one, it is good, but I'm going to go with the shortcut by simply coming to click on sign up with Google in one click, and then simply come here, then come and choose the Gmail account that you want to use to create the account by simply clicking on it, and then come here to where it says continue, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, all that you have to do is to simply come here to the continue and come and click on it. Okay, so we are going to go through all these series of steps in order to build your website for you. The first thing that you have to do is to simply come and then give some basic information so that the AI can use it to create your website for you. The first basic information is the name of the website. Okay, so I'm going to call the name of my website at Best Hotels in Canada. This is the name of my website. Okay, and then what you have to also do is to simply come here to where it says this website is for, and then come and choose the main purpose of the website. If you don't really get what you want, you can simply come here and then come and type in exactly what you want. My website is for blogging, so I'm going to type in blogging. Then when it comes, I'm going to select blogging just like this one. You can also come here to the language and then come and click on the down arrow, and then you can choose from the language that you want. I'm simply going to leave mine at the default, and then simply come here to the container and then come and click on it. What you have to do is to simply come and then describe your website in few words by simply typing in something about your website. Okay, a detailed one in this box. You can also come down here to where it says write using AI, and then come and click on it, and the AI is going to automatically generate something for you just like this one. Go through and then edit it to fit your business preference. Okay, so if you want to improve what the AI generated, you can simply come and then click on improve using AI, and then the AI is going to regenerate a different one for you. Okay, so you can simply come here and then you can switch to the first one that was generated by clicking on the back arrow, and then you can also come and then click on the forward arrow to select the current one. So when you are okay with everything, simply come and then come and click on the continue. And then what you have to do is to simply come and then provide your contact details. That is what your customer is going to use to locate you. Okay, you can simply come here to where it says email and then come and put in your email address here. Beside that one, you can simply come here and then come and put in your phone number here. Use a business phone number, okay, and then you can come and then put in your business address right here, either physical or digital. Okay, you can also come to the social media and then come and click on the plus sign, and then you can add any of these social media handles to it, and it's going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, I'm going to skip all these by simply coming here to where it says skip step and then click on it. The next thing is to come and then select free stock images that is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, you can sort through the pictures by clicking on any of these, and then when you click on it, that type of image is going to be shown, and then you can select any of them, and that is going to be used to build the website for you. You can see your selected images by clicking on selected images, and these are my selected images. Let's say you want to delete any of them, come and click on the delete button and it's going to be removed. Okay, so what you have to also know is that make sure that you don't upload more than 20 images at a time for just one website. You can always upload them later. So you can also upload your own unique image by coming to click on upload your images, and then make sure that the picture follows any of these picture formats. Okay, so beside that one, you can also come here to where it says search results and then come and click on it, and then over here you can search any of the pictures and then add it, and it's going to be used to build your website for you. So after selecting the pictures, all that you have to do is simply come here to where it says continue and then come and click on it. And then what you have to do now is to come and select the structure of your website. That is how the whole website is going to look like. Okay, you can simply come and then put the mouse on any of them, and it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. I like the second option, and I think I'm simply going to go with that one by simply clicking on it, and it's going to be selected for me. So if you have a site logo, if you have a logo that you want to use to build a website, simply come to where it says upload file here, click on it, and then your logo is going to be used to build your website for you. Okay, beside that one, you can come and then select any of the fonts pair. Okay, click on it, and that is the font pair that is going to be used to build your website for you. You can also come here to where we have the color palette, and then come and select the colors that you want, and that is how your website is going to look like. If you don't like the design that you selected, simply come and then click on back to other designs, and then select a different design that you prefer. Okay, when you are okay with everything, simply come here to where it says continue, and then come and click on the continue. So over here, you can come and then select any of these features, and it's going to be used to build a website for you. Automatically, some of the features will be selected for you. One of them that is going to be selected is the blog. Okay, so as you can see, the check mark is here already. It has been selected. Not only that, the contact form has also been added for you automatically. Okay, beside that one, you can also come here to the donations. If you want to simply come and then check the box, it is going to be used to build your website for you. We also have the free live chat as well. You can check the box. If you don't like it, simply uncheck it and then continue. Okay, and then we also have the page builder that has also been added for you. We have the automation as well, and then we have the video player. If you like it, come and check the box. If you don't like it, simply uncheck it. Okay, but I'm simply going to skip all of these by coming here where it says skip and then start building, and then come and click on it. And over here, simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the AI to build your website for you. Okay, so as you can see, hooray, we have successfully created our website. So congratulations on creating your first website. All that you have to do is to simply come here to where it says see your website, and then come and click on it. And this is our created website. It is just made for us with our own name, with our own contact. Everything is just made for us without any foreign thing. Okay, so you can do your customization and then change the pictures, change the name, everything by simply coming to click on the customize, and then you have all of these to choose from. Okay, you can simply click on any of them, and then you can do the customizations to fit your preference. You can view it through the desktop mode. We have the tablet mode, and then we also have the mobile mode as well. All I have to do is to simply click on it. You can also come and then put the mouse on any of them, and then come come and click on the edit button, and then you can edit it right from the left side. Okay, you can upload a logo by simply coming to click on select logo, and then you can add any logo to it. Let's say you want to edit the site title, you can simply come and then clear it. So I'm going to clear the capital E, okay, and then make it small letters like this one. Okay, so beside that one you can come here and then change anything within the header of your website. Okay, so from the header we have the site title and logo. You can simply come and then edit it here. We also have the primary menus, and then you can edit it. So to see the primary menu, it is the one over here. Okay, the home, the about, the portfolio, the blogs. These are our primary menu. Okay, and then beside that one we also have our button right here. You can drag it to anywhere that you want, and then if you want to see the button, this is our button. Okay, so you can do any customization that you want, any changes, and then when you are okay, just come and then click on the publish, and then simply come and then close it. Okay, and then as you can see from here, we have successfully edited our website title. Okay, so this is how to create a website, and it is totally beginner friendly, and as you can see, it is very easy. Like the video and then see you in my next video.